Let's make pizza bases. So I'm going in first of all with the cashew nut milk. Then I'm going in with my eggs. Then I am gonna add the grain-free baking powder. And now in with the salt. Don't forget the coconut oil. So I'm just gonna take that off the Thermomix and just scrape down the sides of the bowl. And just gonna mix again, speed 5, 30 seconds. And then you're gonna take your pizza tray and pop it onto the scales. So once you've measured it, I like to take it off the scales and then just spread it around using your spatula. So the pizzas are all done. So again, we want to take them off the trays straight away. And we're going to put them in the bag like this. And again, one last cuddle, squeezing the air out of the bag. And put the label in the center. And there you go.